Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest and greatest in tech to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of keyboards with the Keychron Q1 Max.
The Keychron Q1 Max boasts a luxurious typing experience and offers customization options that'll make any tech enthusiast's heart flutter.
But is it worth the hype? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about design.
The Q1 Max rocks a retro-inspired shell with a 75% layout, giving it a unique aesthetic that sets it apart from your average keyboard. The all-aluminum chassis not only looks premium but also adds to its heft, coming in at just over 1.7 kilograms. If you equate quality with weight, then this keyboard won't disappoint.
Now, what about performance?
The Keychron Q1 Max delivers a supremely satisfying typing experience, thanks to its heavy dampening efforts, long travel, and chunky keys. Whether you're typing up documents or engaging in some intense gaming sessions, this keyboard won't let you down. Plus, with the option to fully customize it through QMK, VIA and hot swappable switches, you can tailor the Q1 Max to suit your preferences perfectly. Speaking of customization, the Q1 Max offers wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity options, giving you the flexibility to use it however you like. And with a 4000 mAh battery, you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted typing or gaming on a single charge.
Now, let's talk about the lighting.
The Q1 Max features full RGB lighting that illuminates the deck itself, creating a visually stunning effect. While the lighting presets are impressive out of the box, advanced users can dive into coding to create their custom lighting effects. So, should you buy the Keychron Q1 Max?
If you're looking for a keyboard that offers a luxurious typing experience,
unparalleled customization options, and top-notch performance, then absolutely. While it may come with a hefty price tag, the Q1 Max is built to last and will undoubtedly elevate your computing experience.
That's all for today's review.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.